the Rockwell 6C today with the number 6 plate with a Gillette Nacet. And I'm going in with my favorite soap for my head, which is Katie's Bubbles. And as you can see, this stuff works great on my head. Just a great razor. Now this razor has the tab, so I gotta be careful around my ears. Yeah. What a great razor. Right tool for the right job. First pass, pretty good. I can still feel, you know, a little bit back here, quite a bit over here. But we're going to take care of that right now. But again, that was probably a week and a half worth of growth, which is a lot. And, you know, I've been doing a lot of videos with that leaf twig and the Henson, and they just wouldn't have managed that. And I'm trying to get this done quickly. Yeah, we got it pretty good there. Great pass, that last one. Yeah, there's nothing left there. Over here. You know, we give a lot of praises to like the Henson and the twig, but man, this Rockwell 6C, it's a tough one to beat, buddy. It's such a smooth razor, and you're not stuck with just, you know, one plate. You can go more aggressive, which, you know, I have that plate in here right now, and it just changes what you can do. But you know, if you're just making a switch, you know, this thing might scare you a little bit. But if you're willing to learn, the positives outweigh the negatives. I always tend to go against the grain around my ears. Oh yeah, that's really good shave. Really, really tight, good shave there. Okay. Now I don't use Katie's Bubbles too much on my face, but hey, since I got it out, I'm gonna give it a shot here. Now I'm gonna really show you what this guy can do on my face. I mean, come on. Really? It's that good. Yeah, it's that good. Or with the grain neck. Just a great razor. I mean, all around, this is my favorite just because it'll do everything I need a razor to do for me. You know what I mean? I've already gone through that learning phase on, correct angle, and, this is my favorite safety razor. I mean, I know how to use it. Look at that. I mean, good stuff. All right. And this setup right here with the Rockwell 6C 6-plate with the Gillette Nacet, it's my favorite. It's my go-to. Okay. And see how easy it is to detail with the safety razor? You can get nice straight lines. I mean, look at these results. One pass. I mean, still a little bit down here in my sensitive area, but are you kidding me? Just gonna take the soap that's left on there, start applying that. Last pass, it's gonna go real quick. Nice long strokes. What the long strokes do for me is make sure I don't, keep raking and getting the wrong angle on this and getting a cut. Okay, against the grain. Or I'm sorry. Yeah, against the grain. I mean, barely any soap on this razor, and it goes right through it. It's just a wonderful razor. And blade setup for me. I gotta say the blade as well. Now, going in for the tell-all, the Alum block. Little tingle, but not much. I mean, there's a lot of growth, a lot of facial hair that just mowed right through. I mean, I literally could have been done with one pass, up top here on my cheeks. Down here, I definitely always have to go at least 2 passes on my neck because it's sensitive. I very wiry hair down there. All right, so we'll let that rinse that off my face. What a quick shave. Thayers. It seems to be working very nicely. It does help close your pores as well. Just one more thing to add in. A lot of people had great things to say about it, so I figured, hey, what the hell? I'll start throwing it into my shaving regimen, and we'll see where it goes. My favorite, Nivea. I mean, hello, great stuff here. I'm gonna go head and face with it. Yeah. Wow. Going over it, head shave. Rockwell 6C for me with the 6 plate. I mean, beautiful results every time. Face, you saw how efficient that was on taking off all this growth. Now I still have probably a little bit right there, just because I don't go real aggressive right there, on my neck, but man, beautiful shave. Don't forget to check out these videos right here.